shiver through the night. Little stars begin to glow, whispering, it's time to go. A tiny train comes chugging near, with sleepy smiles and gentle cheer. Hop aboard, the conductor sings, Dreamland waits with magic wings. Close your eyes, hold your teddy tight, everything will be alright. Hear the wheels go clickety-clack, Dreamland train is on the track. Choo-choo, softly we ride, moon and stars are by our side. Clouds are pillows, skies are blue, Dreamland is waiting just for you. Sleepy eyes and sleepy smiles, we'll ride together for a while. Safe and warm the whole night through, sweet dreams are waiting there for you. Forests made of dreams, sparkling rivers, gentle streams. Friendly owls wave goodnight, fireflies dance with tiny lights. Bunny families tucked in bed, nightcaps resting on each head. Every flower softly sways, singing quiet lullabies. Now the train is slowing down, near the Dreamland sleepy town. Every dream is shining bright, wrapped in love throughout the night. The moon gives every child a kiss, filled with peace and happiness. Stars will watch until the day, keeping scary dreams away. Stars are by our side. Close your eyes and drift away, Dreamland welcomes you today. Good night moon and good night sky, clouds are floating way up high. Sleep so deeply, safe and free, tomorrow brings new dreams to see. La la la, la la la, Dreamland train will always stay. La la la, close your eyes, sweet dreams now. Good night. Good night, little dreamer. The stars are smiling, the moon is watching. Sleep tight, sweet dreams.